Oh, that felt good.
Oh man.
This fucking smash ball doesn't want to get caught. Come here! Yes. It's gone.
One last more fist bump.
That was so
You're right.
Is it one last more?
It's one more last misdirection.
Still
One
not
last
It's not
more
good.
time.
It's still not right though. Oh god, let's change it.
One more
It's straight
last-
line.
Oh, wait.
Yeah, it's one last misdirection.
Fist ball.
Get more
Because they don't like me.
Exactly. Oh
I
god.
don't know where I'm at. Oh, freaking hell, I'm Falco. Oh god.
I hate the Street Fighters.
Oh, you got stuck with the Street Fighters? That sucks, man. That's a hard pill to swallow.
That's a tap jump.
Yeah, knowing me, I'm probably gonna have to
Tap jump.
tap jump.
Who taps jumps anymore?
If you use button jump, if you
Tap is a normal.
yes it is. If you use button jump and go Chris RWS, it's button jump. Just take just get a
Woo!
Give it up for Kyle!
No.
Nobody can because they're all playing.
Yeah.
Woo! And I'm vlogging.
No, it's
No.
blue, right?
No, buttered popcorn and rotten egg is yellow white.
Everybody around here, be careful not to yank the switch.
Don't yank the switch.
There's a lot of guys.
Oh god.
What is it?
Toasted marshmallow or stink bud?
It looks like you got off scot-free, my friend. All right. So we got rotten egg, which I believe it's this one. Let me make sure. Rotten egg or buttered popcorn.
I can't hear myself think.
Wait, Kyle.
It's alright.
Thank
Okay,
you.
let me
And
just
that was a
see-
nice intermission.
Because
All right. So this is
Rotten
rotten
egg.
egg or buttered popcorn. Both taste kind of gross in my opinion. But you go ahead.
That is, wow.
What is it?
popcorn?
Buttered popcorn?
Yeah.
Yay!
I wanna get the stink bug.
Was it stink? So it was toasted marshmallow or a stink bug from my bud, Cole.
Joe, if this is stink bud,
He took one for you. He literally took one for you, bro. Be grateful.
Put it in your mouth.
So now,
I can swallow it.
Stink bug. Man,
what
I
she
bet
said.
Shoot.
I'm getting like the short end of the stick here because I'm like right next to it.
Oh my
does it
god.
taste like butter popcorn?
Bite.
It does, actually.
Just
Thank
said
you.
Swallow
Get a
it.
reaction
Swallow
out of
it.
me.
Swallow it. It's like you-
It tastes like a. It doesn't. It tastes like I'm eating coffee out of a toilet.
Oh, I saw that. Oh my god. You're Jay, you're next.
It smells so bad. It
You guys can smell it.
Oh shit!
You gotta smell that.
Oh my god.
A friend is a friend to the end of the end.
Three with your fingers.
Hit us with that drowning music again.
All right,
you
go
know what?
ahead.
Do you know what the Mario Death
Put
Note is? There we go.
This man dropped his beans.
No, it's okay.
You're putting them back in.
It's okay. No, I'm putting it in the lid.
Where's
Wait,
the
how
other
did you do
bean?
it? You got it?
Put it in the molar and then
You
count
dropped
to
them
three.
all?
No,
And then
I didn't drop all of them.
You're putting them back in.
No, literally, dude, literally, these are still
Oh,
fine.
got you.
These are literally still. I'm putting in the other bad ones that fell in the lid.
Now you put them on the ground and
Let's put them right there. Okay,
Alright. Okay.
chocolate pudding or dog food.
yeah, do this.
Okay. Alright. Okay.
It is.
This is nerve wracking.
My name's Julia, and this is Jackass.
Ben.
Oh my god!
Was it dog food? Oh,
I guess it's my turn.
no, it's my turn. It was not.
Yeah, you. Oh!
Alright, ready? We gotta do it now. Drowning music one more time.
Alright.
Is that what I smelled like?
Yeah.
Jay, get a drink. Get an actual flavored drink. That's what helps. Jay, I did 2 of these.
Yeah! Yes! Strawberry banana smoothie, baby!
I love that.
Fuck all of y'all! Woo! I should have handed you the camera. I was so scared.
That's forever and a day.
No reason to start over new.
You're filming!
And the reason is you. Woo! Probably going to be his only bean.
What is the possibility?
It's going to be birthday cake or dirty
You're
dishwater.
gonna taste socks, like I did.
Fun.
Oh my god, that's giving me Wow!
It's birthday cake.
Yay!
Again?
All right, so
I hate
Cole's.
both of these options. Even if it's good, I'm gonna get
So
it.
Cole's possibility is strawberry banana smoothie or dead fish.
I hate the strawberry option.
So put it in your mouth, brother.
Oh, I'm gonna get the Febreze ready for this. Dead
Yeah, it might be dead fish, honestly. All right, go, bud.
Oh. Oh no.
It's probably not strawberry.
It's
not immediate.
It's strawberry then.
It's strawberry. It's strawberry banana smoothie.
Oh. Oh.
Strawberry.
Oh.
What? He doesn't like
Here you go, bud.
Yeah.
No, I'm good.
Nice.
I hate strawberries. This was worse than the dirty. This was worse than the stink bug.
Why do you hate
Stay by your side, don't hear me say goodbye. Come with me.
Da 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 da. Boom. Ooh.
Does it taste like coffee in a toilet? No, fight it.
Fight it!
Do what
You
I
can
did.
Swallow it!
If I can
Spinners
smell
and
it.
quitters.
Is it toasted?
It was bad at first, but now it's not too bad. Maybe it's toasted.
It's toasted marshmallow.
Yeah.
Yay!
'Cause that's what friends do. That's what friends do. 'Cause that's what friends do.
No, I don't know.
Juicy pear or booger?
Oh man, those are both terrible.
I got juicy pear.
He liked
Alright,
juicy
he
pear.
liked juicy pear. I don't like either of them. Alright,
This looks like a
so you gotta go first.
Yeah,
Alright, Zach's first. Juicy pear
first.
or booger?
I hate doing these things. I hate this Bean Boozled shit.
Go.
do what I went for free.
Wait.
I feel like you know if it was pear, but
Is it booger?
Tell what this is.
Yeah, really. Yeah, you have to really feel it
I think
out.
it's a juicy pear.
Yeah.
Alright,
Feel it out,
so
don't you?
Jake's steak
It's really not
Is-
that great.
No,
Either way.
peach,
Jake either
Or
has
barf.
peach or barf,
which is gonna smell awful.
and he's right next to me.
Because it's like a 4
So,
You're gonna see some.
alright, you ready? You ready,
Give me that
Jake?
trash can in front of that boy.
And if they
I'm sorry.
We should let Nicole try a barf one.
No, no.
No, Nicole, get front seat. It's right here.
No, don't let her sniff it.
Yeah, I'll try to go.
Because Saturday.
Alright, Jake, you ready for this, bud?
So we're talking.
You ready for this?
Go on, Slenderman.
Peach or barf? The choice is yours.
If they go in the morning and hang out with her, like if they
Kyle?
like, hit the music.
Start it up again.
Oh, sorry.
And then they said they have to leave. They have to be back at 9. They can at least have a good 3-4 hours with you. And they leave early in the morning.
Stick?
Stick?
I mean,
Yeah, that's bar.
it tastes. It's weird because it tastes like peach, but it then starts tasting fucking peach.
Do
you smell? The direct.
Friends do, 'cause that's what friends do. That's what friends do, 'cause that's what friends do.
Like that?
Yeah, wait, let me see. It's like a little bit more like kind of the translucent thing. It's like more shiny than the other ones.
Oh, fair enough.
Compare another orange one to...
Let's all do it at the same time.
Is this gonna be like human cake?
Like that?
That, let me see, both of them.
Which are both of these?
Both of them are the peach and barf, I believe. Yep, both of them are the peach and barf.
That's Cone Jake's.
Oh boy. There you go, buds.
Here's another bar.
That's another barf.
Here's your bar.
Wait, no, keep the lights on, please. I need it.
Devon, here's your bar.
I'm not participating. Thank you.
Alright, let me find more barf, just in case you guys get a peach. I've got a barf.
Because I will vomit, and I'm trying to be considerate.
One at a time?
Yeah, one at a time. until
And
we
just
get
in case you don't get barf,
They get kind of stingy with the barf after a
this is the
while.
last one. I'm pretty sure that's a barf.
How much do you have?
2. We each have 2, so we have 2 chances, 2 opportunities to barf.
I'm already kind of...
On the
Alright.
count of 3, we go first one. If you get a barf, you don't have to eat the other one. Sound good?
Oh god.
Why don't you, hey Zach, why don't you turn on that lamp and then turn off the...
It's not working.
Joe, you
Oh.
want a barf?
It's not plugged
Is it
in.
a...
It's plugged in.
Okay.
Kyle, you want a barf?
Not particularly.
Okay.
Hang on.
Alright.
Alright.
Oh, he's gonna take one? Wait, you're gonna take... Oh, okay, I was
It's
saying.
alright, just go for it.
One of us
Specimens.
has to get barf.
Alright, wait, but I need you guys to do it like one at a time so I can get...
Oh,
No,
one
no.
at a time?
Yeah. Alright, Chris, starting with you since this is your idea. Mastermind.
I don't know if I want him to go. I just want to do it together so I don't get anticipated.
You're gonna have to. That's part of the game.
This one I might spit. This one.
gosh.
You're gonna sit in the fire.
No, why are you sitting right next to it?
Honestly,
No,
I'm
you go there.
No.
Be in the camera. You sit there.
Why?
Alright.
Zach, you're so mean.
What?
You're so mean.
What am I mean?
I think you would know. Peach.
Peach.
I think you would know if it
Like,
was
see,
barf.
it's like with that, it's like a weird, like, to. Oh.
Oh, oh,
That's what I mean. Don't
Yeah?
We're coming for you, buddy.
Yeah?
It's weird, and
Yeah?
then just fucking eat it.
Yeah?
I've tasted barf and that's barf. That's,
Alright. Jake, you're down the line. How
Yo,
about you,
that's
Bubba?
like-
I'm probably not gonna taste it. How fucked up my mouth is.
How
right
about
now.
you,
that's
Bubby?
drunk barf.
Oh.
That's alcohol barf.
Like tactical vomit bar.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
I think you would know. Oh, oh.
Oh. Oh. Wait. Yeah. Fuck that. Bring that out.
Alright, cool. Your turn.
No, I'm waiting for him.
Fuck that. Nope. You ain't getting me on this shit. Fucking I'm on this shit.
Yeah. Yeah.
I'm not spitting it, no, I got this.
Nah, I fucking no. I can't deal with that shit. No.
What was that? What was the flavor?
Bar.
Barf or peach?
Ugh.
Who's
Mm.
the one who wins?
Mm. Cole, you're the winner? Ooh. Ooh.
Is that?
Is it peach?
It's peach.
It must have been peach.
If it's barf, it'll hit you up.
I'm not gonna ask you to smell your breath anymore. I'm done. No, I'm not.
But all you see in the camera is just everything falls over.
Everything goes horizontal.
Well, I'm fine.
I
Alright.
got another one.
I don't think you got. Alright, you got one more.
And I didn't eat my second one.
So you know
It
for sure.
tastes funky though.
It might have been barf. I think you're just not. You're
You
not
had so
okay.
much
Like,
shit and
You've had way too much.
Like that is straight up. That's Fireball barf. That's like
Ooh.
I drank too much Fireball one night and I projectile vomiting out of the.
Jake,
cup.
are you okay,
That's what
bud?
it tastes like.
That shit.
Alright, so clean your taste buds with the Mountain Dew and then let's try it. Do you want to try your second one? See if it's peach or you want.
You did. I'm not sure where I barf.
All
I
right.
don't want to go again.
Zach, you got.
Is it on my? Okay, one second.
Did it taste exactly the same as last time?
No, this one's a little bit sweeter.
Yeah, all
That
good.
one might be
It's
peach.
gone.
You gotta start. You know what it's like to try barf now.
It's still not as bad as stink bug.
No, it's not as bad as the stink bug, but it's still.
It's a little bit sweet.
That's what I'm saying. It's a weird taste. It's like.
Come on, Ron.
Puke or
Come on.
Oh!
Jay, I'm gonna need you. I'm gonna need you.
Jay, you want a barf?
No. I had the
Oh.
dog food. That shit was rancid.
Oh, oh shit! I'm crying.
I think you're gonna need 4 of them simultaneously.
Oranges right there.
Oh
One of them
god.
might be
Oh
barf.
my god. Stop it. Stop it.
Which one's friend is your best friend and doesn't attack?
Thanks for the sponsorship.
Yeah, it smells like you just threw up.
Yeah.
It didn't even taste that bad.
Have you ever barfed after a long night of drinking?
Say again?
You ever barfed after a long night of drinking?
Yeah, tactically.
You'll
so
know
I
what
can
it
drink
tastes
more.
like.
Yeah, alright then.
Ben right there.
God, I hate mint.
Go now. Just go.
Well, it'll
This
be
is worse than the barf.
Seriously?
Peach?
That's
Peach?
Oh,
Yay!
I'm not gonna know one.
You got another try.
I don't want to flip that coin.
Grab
Do it.
that jelly bean.
No,
That's the
speaking
one
of
that I
points,
put away,
Zach,
so-
I think
No, no, honey, no.
it's yours. Thank you. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Ew! He stuck out a tongue!
Okay, hold on. I want to try this.
Well, in the end, Chris wins anyways.
Chris.
That's like long night drinking.
Yeah.
Ugh.
Are you recording me?
Yeah,
Why?
because you win.
How did I win?
Because it was your idea.
I want to fish this for
I got puke first.
Ew, don't call it pew. I know it's what it is, but it just sounds way. Actually, they should put
I got projectile fireball bomb.
Jelly Belly. Start calling it puke because more people do not want puke.
You were next to me and I
All right.
next to you. Push me on